I'm here at Daiso in DLF Mall of India. Let's go and check out what's all in the latest today. They have some flash deals at 99 on select prices. So let's go in and check out what all do they have. First is hello. I'm just having a look. So this is the nail section they have. The these stick-on nails, which my daughter loves, and she's already ordered so many. So let's go in. Then there's some accessories this side. See, there's loads and loads of accessories, caps, and so these are those shower caps and everyday section, all flat at 99. This is all at 99. These are those nice stationery and your garden trays which you can use. This is all probably your garden you can use, or you can multi-purpose usage boxes, storage boxes. Then there are these manicure, these things. There's lots and lots of things. Just see what you can get. Keychains, some cute keychains, hanging keychains. Then these are also the same. These are again some brooms. So let's get inside and see what else they have. Okay, this side is the frames. So you can see some nice frames this side. They have some lovely frames. These are some travel pillows, cushions. And then this side they have these compression masks here. And then they have these towels. And let's see what else they have. Then this side of the store they have nice cubicles. So they have some purses, some small wallets, and then they have some hand towels, some storage boxes upside there, and some, these are also some storage for your tiffins, some wool. So this is for the clay children, for playing clays, marker pens. So this is all this side. Then they have some crockery this side, some nice crockery. This is nice. And then some nice bowls. I picked up these bowls for my soup, these brown ones and the red inside. They're really pretty and nice. You can use it, they're multi-purpose bowls. You can use it in soup, you can use it for your dishes also, so even for serving some snacks. So very nice. So there's some nice hats. So that's it from Daiso here in DLF Mall of India. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm here at store 99. So you see this is store 99. Let's get inside and see what is the latest stock. These are some flowers and artificial flowers which you have. This is in DLF Mall of India mine is the basement, I guess. That's the lower ground. See, it's so beautiful, candle holders, so pretty, so pretty. Then they have lots of things this side. Let's go and check out. This is the stationeries. This is a lot of stationeries, bags, smart bags for young girls. Some nice pencil boxes, some lovely ones, some clipboards, some nice bags for gifting, pretty bags. They have some lovely gifting pretty bags. See this is all section of gift bags. Then they have some towels this side. This is store 99 and they have lots of stuff which keeps coming in. So today I got you and I wanted to show you guys what all is there here. So then they have some jars and the bottles this side. Oh, this is cool. I like this. But then this is nice. I like these glasses. They're really nice and cool. I like this for your cold drinks and your water. This is pretty good. And even this jug is really nice. I like this water jug. It's pretty. For summers these are nice. Then they have some nice bottles. The offer price is 99. Very nice. Very, very nice. Some nice drinking jar bottles, jar glasses. Very nice for your smoothies. And then they have some nice coasters, some kitchenware this side. Lovely kitchenware. And then they have these nice ceramic plates that have come in. Some lovely stuff. So you can come and check out on the weekends when everybody's free. They have some very pretty bowls that have just come. I wanted to show you. This is very nice. Some very cute plates for the young children. They have those partition plates. This is very, very nice. I'll show you this one. This is a very pretty, it's a very nice serving plate. Very, very pretty. Very nice. So let's go ahead and see. Then they have some nice trays, serving trays. It's lovely. Lovely trays and those posters. Some nice mugs. A good variety of mugs. Even the soup bowls are very nice. They're really pretty. Very nice cups for tea or soup. Some people like to have soups in their soup mugs and cups. So that's it from here. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm here at Big Chill in DLF Mall of India, and I'm here to have some lunch. Today is Friday. I'm vegetarian day today for me. I'm going to be having some coffee and something to eat, maybe sandwiches. That's the best during lunch hours if you're outside. So you can take a nice sandwich and have a good cup of coffee or tea, whatever you like. If you like cold, you can have cold. So it's up to you, but they don't serve cold. So they don't serve cold coffees actually. They serve shakes and all that. And I am not much of a, shakes and all that. I like tea and coffees. So I'm going to be having my lunch and I'll keep you posted.